Let me hand you over to Omar Guna, a Senior Product Manager with Sony UK. Omar?
Thank you, Fuja. So, as you've just heard, we've got a full suite of 3D products on the market right now. And I'm outside here on the booth to show you just a couple of the key highlights. The first bit I want to start with are Blu-ray disc players. Now, we want everybody to have the chance to experience 3D movies. So what we're doing now is we're announcing the BDP-S 470, 570 and 770 purchased this year will all be eligible for a free update to make them completely 3D compatible. By doing that, it means that most of our range of Blu-ray disc players are now 3D ready. To complement that, we now think we have the best in terms of quality and the best value Blu-ray disc players on the market. For real movie fanatics, where a large screen television just isn't big enough, today we're announcing something special, and we're going to bring the cinema experience home for the first time. We're announcing today the VW90ES home cinema projector, which shoots in not just full 1080p high def, but also in full 3D 1080p. It uses the same active shutter technology in the glasses that we use on our Bravia television sets. It's also the successor to last year's award-winning 2D projector, which means it's based on SXRD. But we've improved the chip inside, which means now the dynamic contrast ratio is up to 150,000 to 1. Imagine for a second if you were to play PlayStation on this. You've got the scale that it brings, you've got the best vibrancy, the sharpest images, and the best color that we've ever produced. And then you've got full 1080p 3D. So that's the VW90 3D home cinema projector. You're going to get a chance to come out here on the booth after this press conference and try it for yourselves. Okay, on to something completely different, and this is for the keen photographers amongst you. Some of you may have already seen our new NEX3 and NEX5 camera. And this takes the quality of a digital SLR, but puts it into something the size of a compact Cybershot camera. To do that, it has two unique things. The first one is Sony's APS HD CMOS sensor, which is just inside. The second part is the lens. This is an E-mount lens, which means I can take the lenses off, and like any SLR, take new lenses and pop them on depending on the type of photography I'm taking. We're quite proud of this camera because it's just won the prestigious IFA award in what's become known as the compact system camera category. It also has one more trick up its sleeve though, and that's the fact that it can take full 3D sweep panorama, which is ideal if I'm taking it away on holiday. So you've seen that we're extending 3D across all of our product ranges. And in photography, it's not just the NEX. We've also got the WX5 and the TX9, which are our first compact cameras to have 3D sweep panorama. There's more though, because both of these products will also simulate full 3D still images. We have one more 3D product to show you today, and this is an exclusive first look at our first 3D VAIO computer. Now this is a prototype, and it will launch next spring, but for now we've got one to show you here on the booth. It runs at a full 240 frames per second, and uses the same active shutter technology in the glasses that we've got on our Bravia televisions and on the VW90 projector that you've just seen. That makes it ideal for gaming, for movies, but also for the 3D pictures that you've just heard about. Back over to you, Fuja.
Thank you, Omar.